How to find speed dial settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First just go to Truecaller and then click this one on your profile, and now click the settings icon here, and here we'll find calling. Click on it, and now once you're here just scroll down until you find speed dial, and here you can manage it. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.